This stuff clumping together is actually a huge problem for the aerospace industry, but scientists just figured out a simple way to make it do this instead. This is carbon fiber reinforced plastic, which is used all over the place in aerospace engineering. But since the geometry of these carbon fiber parts can be very complex, once they're molded into aerodynamic shapes, manufacturers often have leftovers. About 30 to 40% of the raw material gets left on the cutting room floor. There are some ways to reuse these offcuts. You can pyrolyze them, mill them into a powder, or you can try to reuse them as is. But they're really sticky, which makes remolding them a challenge, and the end product ends up being less valuable than the original material. Back in the late 90s, researchers realized that these scraps were much easier to cut and mill if they got them really cold. So building off that work, scientists at Imperial College London recently tried cryogenically cooling the offcuts. They found that bringing them to negative 196 degrees Celsius eliminated the stickiness completely, allowing the scraps to be remolded into new shapes. And since cold scraps aren't tacky, they make aerospace parts with mechanical performance almost identical to unprocessed virgin material. This research made the cover of ACS Applied Polymer Materials because of its amazing potential for making the aerospace industry more sustainable.